Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. आज USDINR spot reference offshore में is trading around 81-86 on the spot. The big question is, will it be able to break down below 8160? क्योंकि 8160 thereabouts is a major support zone और उसके नीचे if it is able to trade at least on a price action basis के हिसाब से it's going to create or trigger a downtrend. Global cues are not so supportive. Why I'm saying not so supportive? क्योंकि Friday का जो US का jobs report था, that was pretty strong. Yes, the wage growth decelerated from 4.6 to 4.2, but अगर हम लोग total jobs report को देखें, number of jobs added, which is over 2 lakhs for the month of March, etc. उसके बाद dollar index witnessed a very small bounce. और dollar index में like the chart which we shared just now on our Telegram channel, 101 के आसपास is a formidable support zone. और उसके आसपास आते ही dollar index tends to bounce. ये pattern रहा है last एक साल में. So 101 के नीचे this week जाएगा कि नहीं depend कर रहा है on 3 important events. What are those 3 events? First, we have the US CPI inflation. That is on Wednesday. Second, US FOMC minutes, मतलब जो last FOMC meeting था उसमें क्या point of discussion रहा, that will be released. And finally US retail sales. So inflation, minutes, retail sales, ये तीनों data are important this week, and they will basically show whether the dollar index will be able to break down below its annual low of 101 के आसपास or not. If it does, it will be a major positive trigger for the Indian rupee. If it does not, then it looks unlikely that USDINR will be able to break down below the important level of 8160. And then we could be seeing again a rebound possibly towards 8130-40 levels on the spot. So how to now trade this market? Because that is most important thing to keep in mind. जब तक 8160 is intact, it is better to not expect a breakdown. Therefore, positional traders can look to buy on a dip towards 8170 levels. क्योंकि 8186 के आसपास अगर है another 10 पैसा kind of a dip, 10 to 15 पैसा, that's around 8170 जब spot trade होगा या उसके आसपास, you can look to buy. Your stop loss will of course be below 8160. 8160 के नीचे spot is drifting and sustaining, then of course we can look for a positional short. But as of now, positional traders can look to buy on dip. That is point number 1. Now the question is, should we go short straddles? Yes, strangles. That you can do, क्योंकि अगर support के आसपास आ रहा है और ऊपर में 82, 20, 82, 30 is a zone of resistance spot में, तो it's going to be range bound. So you can look to even short strangles or straddles, but remember these are unhedged strategies. So therefore have proper stop losses and position sizes. If you want to do hedged trades, it's fine. Then you can do iron flies, which is basically you short a straddle and you buy a strangle to protect yourself. और positional में आपको अगर bet करना है, then of course you can always look at a butterfly rather than using the futures trade, जहाँ पे unlimited risk रह जाता है and overnight gap down का भी एक risk रह जाता है. Cross currencies में Euro INR, GBP INR both looks like to be in a consolidation phase. So ये हफ्ता could be a week of correction, downward correction and consolidation. Yen में it's going to be interesting day today. That depends on कि 345 को जो new Bank of Japan का governor है, his press conference is how eventful it is. अगर उसमें he doesn't offer any hint of any change in the monetary policy, then it's going to be non-eventful. Otherwise, we could see some fireworks in yen. So 345 के आसपास, the new governor is going to hold a press conference. So keep an eye if you are trading yen. Yen INR may have a downward correction for the simple reason that US bond yields have bounced after the US jobs report. जिससे कारण yen can see some downside pressure over today. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.